All right, welcome to our day 5 challenges. So today we will also learn about all those numbers and deal with them. Let's look at the first question. How many different numbers greater than 10 and smaller than 25 with all different digits can we make by using the digits 2, 0, 1, and 8? Okay, everyone, what is a key word here, everyone? Yes, we know they need to be different digits. So can I use 1 2 times like 11? No, like 2 times 20 or 22? No, we cannot do that, right? Each digit can only be used once. All right, so now let's take a look at the question. All the numbers we made up of all the 4 digits here need to be greater than 10 and smaller than 25. So what's the method? Actually, we just need to start from the smallest number to the biggest number and list them out, right? So since it need to be greater than 10, what will be the 10th digit here, everyone? Can I do 0? No, so it must be what? 1, right? And since the number need to have different digits, what about the options for the 1st digit? It can only be 2. It cannot be 0 because it is not greater than 10, right? So we can have 12. Anything else? Starting with digit 1. Yes, we can do 8. And do we have any other options starting still from the 1? No. So what should we do? Change to the next digit, right? We can do number 2. And if it's 2, what will be the smallest number we have here for the 1st digit? 0. And then we have 2 and 1. And we have 2 and can I do 8? Yes or no? No way, right? It's greater than 25. So in total, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 options in total. Okay? All right, so now let's move on to the next question. Which set of signs, only plus and minus, needs to be placed in the boxes to make the expression true? That means 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, they can add or minus, and then the final answer is 8. Actually, for this question, what we can do is just to try all those different options with A, B, C, D, E, but also we can observe all those numbers. 8 is actually a quite larger number, right? So the first option is definitely what? We need to add them up. Otherwise, it is impossible to reach 8. So we can just have 4 plus 3, that is 7, right? And then for this one, if we add it up, it will be 9. And see, if I minus 1, it is exactly 8. So that will be our answer here. But you can also try if you put all those signs in option A, whether it stands, and try B, C, D. But later on, we can also observe all those numbers first and then find the answer. Okay, so now let's move on to the final question for today. Still for this question, we need to take a guess and find the pattern first. We have all those numbers stacking up, and I want to know what is the number at the top for this pyramid, right? Everyone think about it. What's special about the pyramid? The pyramid is all those numbers are stacking up from the bottom to the top, right? So we know if we want to find the pattern, the most direct way is to build the bridge and find out whether we have some numbers keep repeating, right? So for example, from 1 to 3, it is plus 2. From 3 to 4, it is plus 1. And from 4 to 2, it is minus 2. So did you see any numbers repeating? Not at all. So is it our pattern? No way, right? And if we try this direction, you will see there is no pattern from 1 to 4 plus 3, from 4 to 11 plus 7. But if you look here, 2 to 6 is plus 4. And then it is plus 7. So are there any patterns? No, seems not, right? It's not our direction. So what can we do? Everyone think again. It is a pyramid. So numbers are stacking up. So how about we can look at the second floor? We have number 4. How does number 4 come from? If you look around, number 4 is actually 1 plus 3. Do you see? And is that true? I'm not sure, right? So I need to try. How about number 6? How does number 6 come from? 4 plus 2. It is 6, right? Look, this is also a pyramid. The number on the bottom, 2 numbers at the bottom, they add up together, number at the top. So let's try. How about 3 and 4? When they stack up together, the middle number here must be 7. And 4 plus 7 is 11. 7 plus 6 is 13. So is this a pattern? Yes, the 2 bottom numbers adding up together give us a number at the top. So what is the number for the question mark? 11 plus 13. That will be 24 here, okay? So this is our final answer. And if I want to see more patterns about number sequences, it's really important to take our 5-pointer classes. Our teacher will also show you many more different patterns in terms of the number sequence. Looking forward to see you again. Bye.